was a great kind of synergy between the launch of Liquid and the Cleo swimsuit edition. It was fantastic for Pandora to be involved. It just gave us the best place for us to show off our jewellery when we were launching it. It's a gorgeous silver range. Liquid was designed by Mads Troll and Lee Anthony Gray, who created Love Pods for Pandora. And what they wanted to do is bring more organic, beautiful flowing shapes to the metal. Stunning swimsuits, lots of gorgeous brown skin and silver jewellery against it, and it just all looked amazing.